Hello students, welcome back to enGmaT Academy channel. Are you struggling with do as directed questions in English grammar? Don't worry. Today we will learn do as directed step by step with tricks that will help you score full marks. Watch till the end to boost your exam marks instantly. Now complete do as directed guide class 10 WBBSE 2026. Do as directed. Number 1. She goes to school. Turn into simple past tense. Answer. She went to school. Number 2. She is playing. Turn into past continuous tense. Answer. She was playing. Number 3. She finished her homework. Turn into past perfect tense. Answer. She had finished her homework. Number 4. She has been waiting for an hour. Turn into past perfect continuous. Answer. She had been waiting for an hour. Number 5. She did the war. Turn into future indefinite tense. Answer. She will do the work. Number 6. Blank. Next morning he saw the rose garden. Fill in the blank with appropriate article. Here the answer is the. Number 7. She is afraid blank dogs. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. Here the answer is of, afraid of. Number 8. He blank within bracket play football every day. Fill in the blank with correct form of the verb given in the correct form of the given verb in the bracket. Here the answer is he plays. Play becomes plays. Next, number 9. She writes a letter. Change into passive voice. Answer. A letter is written by her. Number 10. A letter was written by her. Change into active voice. Answer. She wrote a letter. Number 11. She is writing a letter. Change into passive voice. Answer. A letter is being written by her. Number 12. A mango has been eaten by her. Change into active voice. Answer. She has eaten a mango. Number 13. She will finish the work. Change into passive voice. The work will be finished by her. Number 14. He said, comma, within inverted comma, I am happy. Change into indirect speech. Answer. He said that he was happy. Number 15. She said that she would come the next day. Change into direct speech. Answer. She said, comma, inverted comma, I will come tomorrow. Number 16. Mother said, comma, within inverted comma, do not run. Change into indirect speech. Answer. Mother forbade me to run. Last. 17. He said to me, comma, within inverted comma, who are you? Change into indirect speech. Answer. He asked me who I was. Okay.